after a fleet of ambulances were found unused, covered with tarpaulin and parked on premises belonging to the BJP MP from Bihar's Saran, Rajiv Pratap Rudy. An argument erupted between the BJP leader and Jan Adhikar Party chief Pappu Yadav. Pappu Yadav, who is also a former parliamentarian, demanded to know why the ambulances were kept off the roads and were not being used when the district and state is battling a huge rise in COVID-19 cases and medical resources like ambulances, drugs and oxygen are short in supply. There are over 30 ambulances here. There were more earlier, but they have been moved. Overall, close to 100 ambulances were parked here. We want to know why they were not being used. This is not about Rudy ji or Pappu. This is about Bihar and the people of Bihar, Pappu Yadav said. Mr. Rudy, who is an MP from Saran constituency that was previously held by RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, responded to Mr. Yadav's allegation, saying the ambulances were stationary because of lack of drivers. There are not 60, 70 or 100 ambulances, but only 20, and they are not being used because we don't have drivers. Pappu Yadav, you can take all the ambulances, but promise the people of Saran that you will find and employ drivers for all of them, the BJP MP said. The videos doing rounds on social media showed Mr. Yadav striding onto land owned by Mr. Rudy at his native village, Madhaura, in Bihar's Saran district, and removing tarpaulin covers of a few ambulances that are also marked with the phrase MP Lads 2019. Under MP Lads, Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme, elected representatives are allocated a fixed sum of Rs 5 crore every year to develop his or her constituency. The scheme, however, has been suspended by the centre since April last year, so funds can be redirected to fighting COVID. However, after Mr. Rudy challenged Mr. Yadav to bring drivers and use the ambulances, Pappu Yadav appeared in front of media along with the entire team of drivers. In an epic show of its own, Pappu Yadav lined up drivers in front of media and asked them to show their driving licenses to the cameras. He claimed that he has 40 drivers. All these names will be written and sent to the government. Mr. Yadav tweeted the video targeting the BJP MP. Pappu Yadav said, Rudy ji, driver army is here. When and where will you hand over the ambulances? Please tell us. The Bihar government should provide regular jobs to all these driver brothers. They will run an ambulance in every situation. They will serve COVID patients free of cost. We do politics of service, and all other politicians are welcome to do such politics in public interest.
खोलो खोलो यहाँ से 22,000 रुपया लेता।
विकास
वीडियो बनाइएगा तो हमको दे दीजिएगा।
पप्पू यादव अपनी राजनीति में मधेपुरा से छपड़ा चले आए। उन्होंने एम्बुलेंस देखा। उनको नहीं पता है कि सारण जिला के 80 एम्बुलेंस में से लगभग 56 एम्बुलेंस कार्यरत हैं और जनता की सेवा में लगे हैं। दुर्भाग्य है कि इस समय ड्राइवर के अभाव में कई सारे एम्बुलेंस सुरक्षित रखे हैं। पप्पू यादव, आप सभी एम्बुलेंस ले जाइए, लेकिन सारण की जनता को ये कसम दे के जाइए कि सारण में बचे हुए सभी एम्बुलेंस पर आप ड्राइवर देंगे, ड्राइवर की व्यवस्था करेंगे और उसे संचालित करेंगे। राजनीति करना हो तो मधेपुरा में कीजिए। सारण की जनता इससे प्रभावित नहीं होने वाली।
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21। अभी 21 है यहाँ किधर है? 24 लाइसेंस का लाइसेंस निकालो देखिए
लाइसेंस निकालो।
40 ड्राइवर हैं इनके पास तैयार है। ये अभी सबका नाम लिख करके हम लोग गवर्नमेंट को भेजने जा रहे हैं। प्रेमचंद सिंह जी अभी देंगे, समर्पित करें।
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.